Hello everybody and welcome to your new maths lesson. Just to let you know, the exciting thing that we've decided to try doing is having the year ones and the year twos do the same concept in maths. So if you've got a brother or a sister in year 1 or 2, hopefully you'll find that you're all learning about 2D shapes at the same time. Hopefully grown-ups will make things even easier for you if everyone's doing the same thing at the same time. So today's lesson is all about 2D shapes. Now, when we think about 2D shapes, we need to think about what shapes are 2D shapes. How do we know they are 2D shapes and not 3D shapes? Can you remember what 2D shapes are? I hope you're saying that they are flat shapes, okay? Flat shapes. So we are thinking about those 2D flat shapes. We will think about the 3D shapes as well, but not today. So, reminder of 2D shapes. I have a game for us to play, okay? The game we are going to play is Name the Shape. So I have a bag here, and in my bag I have some 2D shapes. I am going to show you the shape and I would like you to say its name. So let's start with this shape here. What shape is this? Look very carefully. What shape do I have here? I hope you're saying it's a triangle. How do you know it's a triangle? What things can you look at to tell you it's a triangle? Maybe you could look at the sides. That might help you know whether it's a triangle or not. And you might look at those corners, or that fancy word for corners, vertices. So what is special about a triangle? How do you know it is a triangle? I hope you're saying that something special about my triangle is it has 3 corners or 3 vertices, and it also has 3 sides. 3 sides. So a corner, 3 corners, and 3 sides, 3 vertices to make a triangle. That's right. The first one was a triangle. Okay. Let's see what else is in my bag. What shape will it be next? Let's go here. It's a, what is it? It's a, I hope you're saying square, Miss Brown. It's a square. That's right, it is a square. How do you know? Look at those sides, look at those vertices again. How do you know it is a square? I hope you said it has 4 corners, 4 vertices, and 4 sides. Now I know another shape that has 4 corners and 4 sides. So what is special about a square that means it's not the same as this shape here? This one was a square. What's this shape called? I hope you said rectangle. It also has 4 sides and 4 vertices. So what is the difference between a square and a rectangle? How do we know? I hope you said the special thing about a square is its 4 sides are all equal. They are all the same. Okay, when I measure them, this side is the same measurement as this side, is the same measurement as this side, is the same measurement as this side. So a square has 4 sides, which are all equal. Our rectangle also has 4 sides, but they are not all equal, are they? There are 2 long sides and 2 short sides. 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So it has 4 sides and 4 corners, but 2 of the sides are longer and 2 of them are shorter. So we have a rectangle, we have a square, and we have a triangle. What else is in my bag? What's this one? I hope you're saying it's a circle. It is a circle. So what is special about my circle? What do you notice about its sides and its corners or its vertices? I hope you're saying, Miss Brown, it has one curved side. One curved side and no corners, no vertices. So just one curved side. One side, no corners. Okay, what will be next? There's a few tricky ones left. Let's see if you can remember what they are. Okay, this is my shape. Ooh, what is this shape? Have a look, have a look. What is it? I hope you're saying it's a hexagon. A hexagon. How do we know it is a hexagon? What is special about a hexagon? I hope you're saying it has 6 corners, 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay, hexagon. Fantastic. Well done. I've got 2 more left in my bag. I wonder if you're going to name these. What is this shape here? What's this one? Have a look, have a look. What's it called? I hope you're saying, Miss Brown, it's a pentagon, a pentagon. And how do I know it's a pentagon? What is special about a pentagon? Have a look. What is special about a pentagon? You should be saying it has 5 sides, 5 sides, and 5 vertices, 5 corners. It is a pentagon. Okay, last one. How clever are you feeling? It's a, what is this one? There's lots of sides and lots of corners here. Might have to count them carefully if you're not sure. What shape have I got? It's a octagon. It is an octagon. It has how many sides and how many corners? What makes it special so that we know it is an octagon? I hope you're saying it has 8 sides and 8 corners. Tricky to count all those corners. Well done if you did. 8 sides and 8 corners, 8 vertices. So it is a hexagon. Okay, quick fire round. Can you name all my 2D shapes as they go back in the bag? Ready? This one is a pentagon. This one is a hexagon. This one is a triangle. This one is a circle. This one is a square. This one is a octagon. This one is a rectangle. Well done. Fantastic. Good remembering of your 2D shapes. So we have named our shapes. We have played Name the 2D Shapes. Now I've got a couple of pictures for you to look at. Okay, we are going to play which is the odd one out and why. Have a look at my shapes here. I've got these shapes here. Which one is the odd one out and why? If you need to, you can pause the video now and have a chat with the grown-up with you. What is the odd one out? Where is the odd one out? Which one is a bit different? Is an odd one out? Have a think. Okay. I think that the odd one out is this one here. Why is is that one the odd one out? What is different about that shape to the others? I hope you're saying that all the other shapes have 3 corners and 3 sides. So they are all, what shape has 3 corners and 3 sides? They are all triangles. This one here, the odd one out, is not a triangle. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. And all of those sides are the same length. They're all equal length. What shape has 4 corners, 4 vertices, and 4 sides that are all equal length? I hope you're saying it's a square. So this is the odd one out. Okay, going to give you another one to solve. Another odd one out. Have a look at these shapes. Again, if you need to pause it and have a chat together, then please do. Which one is the odd one out? A bit different to the others. Okay, I'm going to tell you. The odd one out is this one here. Why is that the odd one out? What is the same about all the others and different about that one? That's right. All of these 3 shapes all have 4 sides and 4 corners or 4 vertices. This one here at the beginning does not have 4 sides, does not have 4 corners. How many sides does it have? That's right, it has 1 curvy side. And how many corners? That's right, no corners at all. So this is the odd one out. Okay, today for your activity, I would like you to make me a 2D shape poster, a 2D shape wall. You can make it however you like. You could just draw the pictures of the 2D shapes and make them into a poster, or you could draw them individually. Below here, I've got an example. So you could draw lots of different 2D shapes. We've got a few that we haven't talked about in our input today. So we've got our oval, just like a circle. It has 1 curvy side, but it's a bit like a squash circle, isn't it? We've also got this one here, a heptagon. Have a look. A heptagon. How many corners does it have? Count if you're not sure. Did you count them? Tricky one, a heptagon. How many did you count? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. 7. A heptagon has 7 sides and 7 corners. So we have our heptagon, which we didn't show earlier in our game, and our oval. You could put those on your poster too if you wanted to. Okay, but you're going to make a display, something that will help you when we do our shapes for the next couple of days, our 2D shapes. If you're feeling really clever and you want to challenge yourself, you might not just do the name of the shape and the shape itself. You might start to think about what we talked about those sides and those vertices, those corners. How many sides does each one have and how many vertices? So you might want to make a display that looks a little bit like that, somewhere you can put in your house. If you are feeling really clever, grown-ups, and you fancy giving your child a challenge, this would be a really good day to start talking about irregular 2D shapes as well. So looking at the properties of those 2D shapes, but looking at ones that don't look like your traditional shapes. So for example, we're very, very used to seeing a triangle that looks like this. But any 2D shape that has 3 sides and 3 corners is a triangle. So looking at different variations of that if you want to give your child a bit of a challenge today. Anyway, I'm going to leave you with your 2D shapes. I hope you have a lovely day making your shapes, and I can't wait to see what your posters, what your display walls look like in your house. Have a lovely day, and I will see you very soon. Take care and bye.